Okay, just
ये
wait.
मिलता नहीं है सर, ये मिलता नहीं है फिर हमको। ये सर आप तो बुक से कोई आंसर नहीं मिलेगा तो सर मार्क्स कट ना जाएगा सर।
I am recording. Recording is there. Okay.
ओके सर।
Yes,
Recorded
sir.
video. Always these types of happening now. If we will
Yes, sir.
discuss objective question these types, so it is always on the on teachments already recorded video is there. Okay. So first question here given, dear students, look. DOS, disk operating system. Okay. DOS, disk operating system based a spreadsheet package is what options?
Lotus 1, 2, 3.
Yes. So this packet's name is Lotus 1, 2, 3. Okay.
3. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
When we can create a chart on a separate sheet in the same workbook, it is called
चार्ट शीट।
chart
Chart
sheet.
sheet.
Yes,
Chart
already we
sheet.
are already discussed now.
यस
Yes,
सर।
sir.
Yes, we are already discussed about chart sheet. So, if anyone asks, what do you mean by chart sheet? So, when we can create a chart on a separate sheet, it is in the same workbook. It is called chart sheet. So, dear students,
Chart
everyone
sheet.
write now. Yes, write this point. It is important point. Write down. Each and every question everyone write. Okay. So now first question write down. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you listening?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So
Sir,
open.
option also.
No. Option is not need. Question answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write in a spiral copy. It is better. Write in a spiral copy.
और सर सॉल्व द जंबल वर्ड वो भी आएगा।
Jumble word. Yes. Why not? Those who are
ओके
given
सर।
in book. Those who are given in book inside or exercise, they will come. Okay.
अब
Okay, sir.
ढूंढना पड़ेगा।
Many times we are discussing some questions answer also. So some objective types also we are discussing. So all these are very important for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Even so, write down. DOS based spreadsheet package is. Answer is Lotus 1, 2, 3.
Sir, second. Sir,
First question
second.
is
Yes,
सर
sir.
आप
yes.
तो उसको
Yes, sir.
स्टॉप करके रख लेंगे कॉपी में बाद में।
Sound is not. Now you will write. Now everyone will write. Okay. Second questions here given. When we can create a chart on a separate sheet in the same workbook, it is called chart sheet. It is called chart sheet. Already in book also given chart sheet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ओके सर।
Written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now third question. Blank space. Blank space is a sign is used to create an absolute cell reference. We are already discussed about now.
यस सर।
Dollar sign. Answer is dollar sign.
Dollar sign.
This is the symbol of dollar. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, written.
Yes. Next question. Okay. Next. Hash value refers to blank space. What is the answer? Error in value.
Error in
Okay.
value.
Either in
Yes. All of you know about error?
Yes, sir.
We are already discussed during class time.
Sir, fifth question.
You can undo and redo up to blank space action in MS Office Excel even after a worksheet is saved. How many times we will use?
50.
50 times we will use undo and redo when we will saved after saved you want. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Written.
No, sir, 1 second.
Yes, sir. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of you written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Press blank space to display the print dialog box in MS. So which types of shortcut key we will use for print? CTRL plus
CTR
P.
plus P.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. One time already we are already I am given one shortcut key video. All of you seen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yesterday
Seven.
already sent one video. So all of you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. How many students are joined or not, or some are enrolled or not? Just wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Eight number.
Now I am discussing objective type question. Okay. So write, and then after this I will discuss some other questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Written.
Sir, written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question number 8. To display the open dialog box to open or find a file, press. If we
CTRL
want to
plus
open, then we will use CTRL plus O. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes. All of you written?
No, sir, बस थोड़ा सा है. Sir, written.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Next question. Dear students, a question given. Which of the following function used to add the values in the function argument or the values in all the references in the arguments? So answer is sum. Okay, we are using sum function for adding the numbers, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sum answer. Answer is given sum, SUM. Already we are already discussed now many functions.
आपको स्क्रीन शेयरिंग नहीं आ रहा है, सिर्फ ब्लैक आ रहा है.
Okay, right now I am telling which of the following function used to add the values in the function argument or the values in the all references in the argument. So answer is sum. What is answer?
Some.
All of you written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question. When a chart is placed on this, it is much larger and there is no other data on it. That is chart sheet.
सर
Okay.
स्क्रीन लैप दिख रहा है.
Okay, no problem, dear students. We are recording. Okay. Okay. If any
Okay,
problem,
sir.
then you will go on recorded video and okay.
ओके सर.
Because
Sir,
a
अब
lot
आने
of
लगा.
network. Yes,
Sir, अब
network
आने
problem
लगा.
also. Okay, right.
Sir, written.
Network. Yes. All of you written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Okay. Now we are discuss some questions. This is your question. What is the function of unturned redo option in quick access toolbar?
बहुत
It is
बड़ा.
it is in not in your book, no? Yes,
Yes.
this question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is data consolidation? This is your question.
सर तो भेज दिए ना, ये तो भेज दिए ग्रुप में.
Okay, those who are not written, they will write. Okay. Okay, dear students, data consolidation is the corralling, combining, and storing of varied data in the single place. Okay. It lets user manipulate different types of data from one point of access and helps turn raw data into insights. Okay, all of you writing? This is the question answer of your book.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
all of you writing?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
All of you written? Next question. Next question. Explain the different components of chart. Explain the different components of chart. This is long types answers. All these are the long question answer. So the different components of charts are, first is given chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, category name, plot area, legends, chart title, grid lines. Given
Yes,
all
sir.
these are the components of a chart. So different components of charts are given. Explain the different components of charts question here given. So different components of charts given here and explain also here.
तो वैल्यू एक्सिस बुक में नहीं है.
A lot of different components now. Many are not
Okay,
here.
sir.
Horizontal axis not here. Vertical axis is not here. Okay. Value axis given. Look there. Third number. Written. Hey. Shubham Kumar. Shubham. What is going on, Shubham? All of you written.